Hello everyone, happy Friday. I have an announcement to make about the yearbook cover contest, and so I'm going to share some really exciting news with some of you. We had over 20 entries, and it was just so exciting to see everybody putting in such a great effort for this yearbook cover contest. So let's look at some of them. Can you believe a second grader made this? Amazing. Love those colors. It's like Chinese calligraphy, isn't it? Be your dream. Whoa. For a second, I thought it was real. That's amazing. Looks like this guy always has a book. Check out this epic Book Ninja drawing. That is a nice drawing. It looks just like our school. I love how this student used the space theme from this year. Weren't those pictures amazing? Now, before I announce the winner for the cover of the yearbook, I want to tell you that in one way or another, all of these pictures, all of these entries that people were nice enough to give me are going to be in the yearbook in one way or another. It could be on the back of the cover, okay? It could be on the inside of the cover. It could be on your class page. But either way, your picture, if you made one, is going to be in the book. Thank you so much for giving me a picture. So let's talk about who won. You ready? I should also mention that the way I judged the art was I went around to all of the teachers in the school and I spread them out all over the desk, and they came and they oohed and they awed over your art because it's just so great to see. And we had a very, very hard time picking out just one or two. So what happened was we ended up with like a 4-way tie for third place. So I'm going to share those entries now. You ready? You ready? I'm ready. All right. So the very first tie for the very first tie for third place, the first of 4 is Cora. All right. Cora from 2nd grade. Okay. That's one third place winner. Let's put that over there. Here's the next one. Third place tie goes to Lucina and the Book Ninja. Yeah, so Lucina's in 5th grade. There she is. The Book Ninja's hiding behind the chair, and that Highland Hawk is reading a good book. I think the book says the Book Ninja. Could be wrong, but I think that's what it says. I love this picture. Our third place tie winner is Zoe from 5th grade. We've got this magnificent bird of prey, and it has got always have a book on the book. That's great. I love it. I love it. I love it. So Zoe, good job. And our 4th third place winner goes to Beatrice. I love this picture. I love these kids down at the bottom. Just great. Personal and well done. Super, super. All right, my light died. Oh well, that's okay. 2nd place winner. This winner goes on the inside cover of the yearbook. So you'll open up that beautiful cover, and right there, the 2nd place winner will be there, okay? This is a very hard decision, but the teachers, I'm gonna hold on to the last one, the 1st place, but the teachers had a very hard time picking between these two, but in the end, Second place goes to Maya in 5th grade. I just love this bird. That is a beautiful, beautiful drawing. So we have a wonderful hawk for the inside of the cover. When you open up the yearbook, that'll be there. Congratulations on 2nd place. Good job, Maya. All right, we have one more to do. This is going to be on the front cover, a full page, all right? So here it is, you ready? This is 1st place. I don't know if you're ready. Drum roll, do it at home. Okay, here it is. 1st place winner is Julia from 2nd grade. Good job, Julia. This is an amazing drawing of the school. I'm so proud of you. You did such a great job. I'm very impressed. This school is hard to draw. I've done it before and wow, you did a great job. You must have looked at a photograph. I am so proud of all of you guys. Thank you so much for participating in our yearbook cover contest. And I really, really, really hope that next year we can have even more participants with even more amazing art, okay? Highland Park, thank you so much. I will see you soon.